Hey everybody, Jason Hyde here, and today I wanted to show you guys a little project I've been working on off and on. I'm about to do some acid etching with some ferric chloride. These are stainless steel plates that you can see here. This was a laser printed film that you get for doing PCB boards, and this is the peeled film, and there's the resist on the stainless steel. So, and the black areas here, that's just black nail polish for more resist. So I made these images in Photoshop and then printed them out on a laser printer on the blue stuff. And then you heat it up and put the blue stuff on top of the metal. And you heat it up and then it peels off. Sounds easy, but it's tricky to get it just right so that the blue shit sticks well enough. Anyway, wish me luck. I'm going to put the ferric chloride in there and agitate it for about an hour, and I will be wearing that. So it's been about 10 minutes and the ferric chloride is doing its thing. Let's see if I can get it to, yeah, it's getting there. So when I agitate it, it does help because once it starts eating away at the stainless steel, it'll leave like gunk in there. So I'll go in and agitate it, and then sometimes I'll just really gently brush it. You know, it's hard to do this with one hand while holding the phone, but it gives you the idea. So I'm going to leave it in for another, I'll leave it in for another 50 minutes and do this every 10 minutes. So it's been about an hour and we're getting really, oops, shoot, that sucks. Let's pull out a piece and see what we got. Not bad. Now, next to me here, I've got a bucket, and this is just water with baking soda. That's what basically will counteract the effects of this. And I'm gonna put my PPE on to do that, and then I gotta try to save my ferric chloride. So I will show the results when it's done. Okay, so here are the parts cleaned off. As you can see, some of the resist has been eaten away. That's why I only do about an hour, because the resist slowly gets eaten. I won't quite know what I have until I clean off the remaining resist. Which I will be doing with lacquer thinner. Okay, so now we've got the pieces cleaned up. As you can see, it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. The resist held up nicely. And the next step, I'll show this guy. This one, I don't know, maybe it'll clean up better. I'm not super impressed, but it's okay. This one, I'm really impressed with. Look at all that tiny freaking detail. So the next step is to use a palm sander with some 600 grit sandpaper, and then do a little bit of buffing with some steel wool. Okay, I just finished doing some sanding with the palm sander and a little bit of steel wool, and these look amazing. Wow, I'm super happy with this one. Look at that, just crazy detail. Super cool. This side, I put another one on this side, and for some reason the face just didn't get enough, but the rest of it still looks cool. It's going to be mainly displayed on this side. I just had extra stickers, so I put it on there. I love this one though. Wow, super cool. So maybe I might try to do some black ink to get in there, and then lightly sand that away, or sand the surface, and I think that would look really killer. Anyway, thanks for watching.